Thank you very much for the introduction. I am Koshiduka. Now we have the new corporate organization VLED. I congratulate for the founding of the organization. The predecessor of VLED was Open Data Promotion Consortium, and I was deputy president of that consortium, and I have been involved in technical activities and a variety of discussions. Therefore, since we have the founding of the new organization, we are very happy to transfer the activities to VLED. It was 2012. We started this consortium. We have 2 years of activities. I would like to briefly talk about such activities and consequences, even though I only have 15 minutes. And then I would like to talk about what we can expect on VLED. The consortium I talked about, as indicated by our guest, it was July 2012. Our purpose is to have a very strong infrastructure for open data distribution. We try to build the technical specifications and standards as well as licenses and doing R&D activities. Secondly, at the time of the inception of consortium, it was only a starting point of the open data. That's why we had to dispatch information to the general public with regard to open data, and also we have carried out a variety of services for the purpose of education. So we have 174 corporations, 19 organizations from the local governments, and 5 experts. We did have the committees. We have 3 committees. Let me talk about each one of them. One is technical committee. We discussed what should be the technical standards which will help promoting open data. I am head of the committee and supported by Mr. Takeda of the National Information Science Research, and also we have Mr. Nakao from Tokyo University and Mr. Hiramoto from METI, as well as Mr. Fukami of the Keio University. We have built some technical specifications. We have published guidelines. The second committee is Data Governance Committee. You have to have technology. At the same time, you have to have a license in order to promote big open data. This committee is focusing on licensing. It was headed by Ms. Inoue and Ms. Noguchi of Google, and also we have Ms. Sawada of Ms. Tomooka of Nihon University, as well as Mr. Mori of a law firm. And also with regard to actual activities, we have set up some rules with regard to usage of open data. The third committee is a bit different. That's the Usage Promotion Committee, and to dispatch information regarding open data as well as to promote sharing of open data. It was headed by Mr. Nakamura of Keio University, and also Mr. Murakami is MRI, and also other members is Mr. Ishikawa of Tokyo University, Mr. Oka of the National Information Science, and also Mr. Kawashima of Public Innovation, and Mr. Kobayashi of Scolex, and Mr. Shoji of Glocom, and we have had a number of members in this committee. At the portal site, we try to dispatch a variety of information and also ideas on hackathon, and we have given some rewards, and we have carried out symposiums and contests, and how to promote businesses using open data. We have studied what should be the business model. So let me give you briefly the outcome of such activities. We have done a variety of technical discussions, and these are the results. One is the technology, one is data governance, and we have compiled the open data guide. When public sector people are trying to start open data, they can use this open data guide as a starting point so that they will do their open data activities by themselves. Second is the information distribution collaboration system to compile some external specifications, and also we have done demonstrations based on the open data guideline. Within this technical committee, we have a very deep discussion on this point, and we have created this specification. We have released such specification already. So these are final outcome, but we also had the intermediate outcome. Data OJP is one thing. It's a catalog site of the government, and we have given technical information and licensing information and the results of discussions so that they'll be useful when they are doing their activities. The other big activities are the usage of such data. As you can see in this table, we have done a variety of events. One is ideation and hackathon using methodological data. And also we have the Open Data Symposium in 2012. I can show you some pictures. It was 2012, that was right after the inception of this consortium. It's an ideation and hackathon of methodological data. And this is the rewards are given in 2 years, 2012 and 2013. So we also had Open Data Symposium in the last 2 years, and at each event, we had the opportunity to report to the activities of the consortium. And also, we had some experts to discuss about how to use such open data. With the cooperation with the MIC, we have carried out the open data application contest, and good ones will be promoted and given rewards. So let me give you some specific applications. There are a total of 92 applications, and those which are excellent are given some rewards. I cannot go over one line by line, but for those who are very excellent, which are very excellent applications, they are given some rewards. And this year, this is Mashup Awards, and starting from this year, in this awards, we have the Open Data Award. So, and Consortium joined the operation along with the MIC, METI, as well as GIPTEC. At the awards presentation, we will have one after the end of the symposium. And of course, Consortium is using open data, but other cases, there are many activities, and such activities should be introduced not only in Japan as well as overseas. For example, this is Internet Governance Forum we have joined, and ITUT workshop, and this year OECD, and last year's ITS World Congress Tokyo. At those events, we have introduced the activities of our consortium. So in the last 2 years, we have been doing such activities. We have received some awards, and this autumn, from the MIC, we have received the award because I am a deputy president. I was receiving the award. Now we have a new organization, VLED. As Dr. Sakamura has indicated, we'll be opening up new committees. We'll have a wider range of activities under VLED. So I'm a member of the technology committee, and I'll be continue my activities in this new organization. So the purpose here is to achieve the objective of open data. That's the ultimate goal. I think that's the very important objective of VLED. What should be the purpose of such? Open data should be used as a new model of private-public collaboration. Well, government 2.0 is what people say. We would like to continue such activities. Second is revitalizing economy based on open data. So when you are starting big data, you should be able to use the open data as a new step. And it is not very costly to start up a new business if you start using open data. And also, you can raise the transparency of government as well as local government activities. I think transparency is a very important topic here. Lastly, but not the least, I want to stress that the biggest hope is placed in Olympics and Paralympic Games in 2020 in Tokyo. How we should go about it. We should set 2020 as an intermediate goal, and we would like to build a leading edge model and how we can contribute to the success of this Olympics. When you look at the London Olympics, people say open data Olympics. Every single game was set in the open data, and also so many foreign visitors came to the Olympics, and this is used, open data is used, and the urban transportation system. Live train map is one of them. So many volunteers have participated in such activities to compile such a map. And also we will have a Rio Olympics and then followed by Tokyo Olympics. I'm sure that we should be able to use open data to build new urban cities. So what should be the size of the data for the London Olympics? It was huge, I have to say. So I don't know. I think we should create cities using open data to have very good hospitality so that we should be able to build a leading edge model for the information society in Japan beyond 2020. So in this new organization, VLED, I would like to continue my activities. And for other members, I'm sure they will continue their efforts and support to the activities of VLED.
Thank you very much.